Hello traders and welcome to the market opening preview December 10th, 2014 on a Wednesday, hump day as we call it. Traders is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand, bright blue sunny skies and white sandy beaches. Absolutely beautiful outside. I think, yes, it is going to be lunch at the gazebo today. Absolutely gorgeous outside. Nice cool weather. Absolutely wonderful. Just paradise. All right, traders, let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilday. I'm your moderator through the market opening preview series every single trading day before the London Open. This is where we go over 6 currency pairs. And traders, just to give you a little history, I started trading in 2006 and 2008. I retired from a wonderful career in the public safety department out of the great state of Florida. Traders, I came over to Thailand for a 3-month holiday to celebrate my retirement after 27 years. Well, traders, today I am still here and trading the Forex market every single trading day. I'm in the markets listening, learning, looking for that opportunity to enter a trade and make some profits. Nice thing about trading Forex is you learn something all the time, always learning. It's unbelievable how much you just continue to learn. Unbelievable. Okay, enough about that. Let's move on. This is the legal stuff. All right, obvious disclaimer, Forex trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets. Most of all, traders do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Always remember, traders, that past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. All right, let's head on over to the news and commentary. First, let's take a look at what's going on the calendar today. We had some Aussie news come out today. It was medium impact because home loans came out positive at 0.3. They were expecting 0.1. However, the big news of the Asia session was China had CPI year on year. It came out at 1.4. They were expecting 1.6. And PPI, which was medium impact, came out at negative 2.7, and that was forecast for negative 2.3. That caused some reaction in the market, actually. I was quite surprised. The Aussie moved about 30 pips on that data to the downside. And we looked at a couple of Aussie pairs. And yeah, it is what it is, but it did. So pretty interesting on how that worked out. As I was taking slides and preparing this video, that happened. All right, let's see what we can do here and see if we can get and see what happened in the markets at the New York close. Let's see what's the magical numbers today. All right, so the Dow was down 51.28%, the Nasdaq was up 25.78%, and the S&P 500 was negative 0.49%. Pretty interesting. Ooh, a lot of red on the euro side. The FTSE 100 was negative 142.68%. The DAX was down 221.28%. The CAC 40 was down 111.54%, with the Euronext 100 also down 20.11%. Unbelievable. Let's come over to my side of the world. Also in the world, the Nikkei 225, which is currently trading, is down 272.12%. The Shanghai is down in the red at 6.84%, and the Hang Seng is down 33.40 at the current time. Just take a look at gold. Gold is down 3.40%. It's currently selling at $1,228 per ounce. Oil is also down 0.96%, selling at $62.86 a barrel. All right, commentary for today. Wow, just it's taken the markets like 2 days to recover from that NFP. Some wild stuff yesterday. I did make some pips, and the only reason I should have stayed in these trades, but there was pound news coming out like 10 minutes, and I was in I was in a pound Aussie trade and a pound dollar trade, and my pound Aussie trade hit my take profit, and unfortunately my pound dollar trade I had to exit it early, but it's okay. A day with 26.6 pips is okay with me, and had to get out of it. And then surprisingly, the markets went flat. Now, I did not stay in the markets for the New York session, so I really was not in tune exactly what had happened during the New York session. But very interesting trading day yesterday. Not a lot of news today, so nothing really to worry about there. We only have one news event, so nothing to write home about. And that was the China news, and that's it. We have no other high impact news. I will tell you that tomorrow, in the next Asia session, we start and we have high impact news all day, all into the New York session. All right, enough with that. Let's get over to some 60-minute Forex charts. And as usual, we will start with our euro dollar. This is a kind of lopsided chart. As you can see, the euro just spiked up yesterday. All these pairs just pulling back from the NFP story, and like I said, it's taken the markets 2 days to finalize. I think it's coming back into normal, some sort of normalcy. So basically, I don't want to buy the euro dollar, and I'm waiting for it to break this 200 exponential moving average at 1.2376. Anything below that, with a bearish candlestick, I am willing to take this short. So I'm looking to short this, and of course, if I get lucky, I can get down to 1.2260 would be wonderful. Don't think I'll get down that far. Probably get down to 2290 maybe, somewhere in there. So that's where we're looking at. But looks like a good trading opportunity. We just need to break this 200 EMA before the London Open. The pound, well, I mean, what can you say about this pound chart? It's absolutely ugly. It's not good looking at all. And there's nothing you can do. It needs to break this trend line. And I have to tell you, before I started recording, I did peek at this, and it was like right at it. So I think it will be in position for the London Open. I'm not looking to take these trades before the London Open, as Asia is in its active session for the next 15 minutes my time, and then it goes into its inactive session where most of the time it just goes sideways. So about 2 hours before the London Open, I'll be in front of my charts and looking for trading opportunities. But as far as the pound goes, it's bearish as heck. Just go look at the daily chart. All right, here's our Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, it looks like it's done its thing and it's pulled back. Now we just want to see this turning, give us some red candles here, and we can take this to the downside to the 0.8247 area. I like seeing two indecision candles, and I just hope it just stays sideways for the next, it's 4 hours now before London opens on my side of the world. So, yeah, the stop's a little big. As soon as you get into this and you're 10 pips, I would bring that stop down. You're not going to be able to bring it to break even, but you can bring that stop way down. You don't need to be that far out. But with this all over the place, that's why I put that stop so high. But looks like a really decent trade if it works out. And if we can keep the, I call them wobbleheads, if we can keep people off microphones, that would really help us trading. Yesterday was all about people making speeches from the ECB, Japan. It's just unbelievable how many people were chatting away and just making trading very difficult. Here's the Euro Aussie. I just want to buy this. Fortunately, we are right at the spot where, if there was a bullish candlestick formation, this is a good spot to just take this and buy it. At the moment, we're looking at two indecision candles here. And that last candle is not completed because I'm in the middle of the hour when I took the screenshot. However, seeing that doji and stuff, we might get our pullback, which I'd like to see come back to that. Either the 50% or the 38.2 would be really nice, and then we can take this up. This way, when we get back to that area of resistance where we're at now, we will be break even. And, that's the name of the game. Capital preservation, money management, that's what keeps us trading for the next trading day. And we have to think about that. So, but I think this Euro Aussie is a great trade for today. I'm really excited about it. We'll just see what happens at the London Open. All right, here we are with the Euro Yen. Euro Yen again. Look at this pullback all the way back down. This 200 EMA. It must have been a news event with that big spike, and something must have came out, or somebody must have said something. And here we're just looking for this to close above that trend line. And you know what? I'm taking this long. I have no intentions of selling the euro yen, folks. Look at your 4-hour chart and your daily chart. This pair is bullish, extremely, extremely bullish. There's no reason to be selling this pair at all. Alrighty. All right, let's take a look at the New Zealand. New Zealand dollar seemed to be calming down a little bit. It did its up move there, spiked the 200 EMA at 0.7746. It's come back down. It's in a perfect area. And all I want to do is short this. So we're at an area where we can short it. And I'm just waiting for a bearish candlestick formation below the 50% fib. And I'll take it down. The problem with this, though, my friends, is this is going to be a battle at the 38.2, at the 23.6. Every time you get to these levels, you're going to get bounced around here. So, in my opinion, I might stay on the sidelines today as far as the New Zealand dollar, unless I see something really, that would convince me that this is going to go down. And right at the moment, if somebody said, would you trade this? I would not trade this pair today, looking at what I'm looking at here. You're going to fight those every single level. You're going to have a ball. You're going to have a fight on your hand. It's going to take you forever to get break even. Traders, that is our wrap-up of our 6 currency pairs, and I thank you for joining us today. On behalf of myself and William Gilday and our great friends at FXCL Excellence in Trading, I thank you for being with us at the market opening preview every single trading day before the London Open. Traders coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Have a great trading day, and always remember to trade smart and not hard. Traders, take care and see you tomorrow. Take care now. Bye-bye.